Go again, go. You can try and get your steerer back.
I was trying it, I was losing it before.
Go around and then...
I'm going to do one more. Okay. This is old, you know that. And he's done really well.
I'm going to put a little straight up in a sec. Good girl. Hey, Catherine.
You're recording me?
Yeah. Got the whole of YouTube watching you right now.
Can you just stop it for a minute? Hey, walk on.
He looks... Where did I put it? It's not in my boot, is it?
Hello,
I can see it. Come on. Ooh, my finger was there. Good. There we go. Hello, Sina.
Hello. Hey! No!
Now he beats
Your
laws.
mum before, remember?
Hey.
Right, so kick now. Kick.
So just...
Again, if it's destroyed. Just go again. Panting.
We're just going to finish on a straight.
No!
Stop! Turn him at the fence. Turn him that way and bring him back round.
Don't be scared, Catherine. Remember.
Turn a tight circle. I was on the right leg for once.
He's not getting
Give him the biggest run up possible. Probably right out to the fence.
And kick.
Good boy!